Hello, I'm Anna Cheke-Smith, L'Oréal Professionnel USA artist, owner of Fashion Wonderland in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
This is the Voluminous Blowout. My client has fine texture, medium density, and medium porosity. Tecni.Art, new look, semi-conic performance. Now we're creating a full voluminous blowout. On towel dry air, apply all-in-one performer through the hair and ends for detangling, shine, frizz control, and heat protection, then brush it through. Start drying with the AirLight Pro dryer, using your hands to direct the hair for volume while smoothing the shape. No shaking, just control airflow. To avoid freeze, pre-dry to about 60–70%, then apply full volume mousse for root to lift, strong hold, and natural shine without weighing the hair down. Use a comb to apply it on the top of the head, and for the lower section, focus on the roots and comb it through. Then, for the midlines and ends, I take a small dollop of the web for flexible hold, sculpted texture, and natural shine, and mix it with a couple of pumps of the Flex Blowdry pre-styling cream. Is heat protection and shape control. I blend them in my hands to create light web-like fibers, almost like a spider web, then distribute it through the hair, just like I'm showing in the video, for controlled movement and definition. For tip, in a small travel size spray bottle, mix 3/4 all-in-one performer with a quarter of volume dust. That gives texture effect, volume from roots with a natural matte finish. This gives a lightweight texture, root lift, and a soft matte finish, perfect for fine hair clients. Shake it well before each use, and mist light at the roots for instant volume without weighting the hair down, and comb it. Section the hair ear to ear and create a mohawk section on the top. In the back, take 3 to 4 horizontal sections based on your brush size. Starting at the nape, wrap the hair 1½ time around the round brush for maximum tension. Begin over directing, focusing heat on the roots. Then roll the brush back and hold for about 15 seconds. Smooth it through the misshaped ends and roll it back to set the shape. Remove the brush and secure it with the clip at the base. Continue through all the back section, maintaining over direction for maximum volume. Now moving to the top and sides, take a diagonal back subsection and repeat the same technique as the back. Before clipping, lay the hair to the opposite side of the head so it cools while maintaining a round shape. Continue this pattern through the top. Then for the lower sides, roll the hair back and secure it with the clip at the base. Repeat it on the other side and allow everything to cool completely before removing the clips. Once cooled, remove the clips and brush it through to reveal a soft, voluminous blowout full of body and shine. This is a voluminous blowout. By combining the right products with the proper tools and technique, you can create a voluminous blowout that looks effortless, polished, and full of movement. Tecni.Art is the new pro way to style hair.